In this short tutorial, I will show you how to delete your Among Us account. Deleting your account is a simple process that can be done in just a few steps. To get started, open up the Among Us app on your device. Once you are on the main menu, tap Settings. Then tap Data. Now you'll see the Delete Account option. Just tap on it. Then put a check mark on this little box. Then tap here and type Delete to confirm your account deletion. Tap on the Confirm button. When you confirm the deletion, all your data in Among Us will be deleted. This process will take 7 to 14 days to complete. Your account's stars, XP, beans, pods, and any purchased cosmetics will be erased. Once the deletion is complete, you won't be able to get your account or data back. Your account will work as usual until the deletion process finishes. Make sure you are certain about deleting your account, because it can't be undone once it's done. So that wraps up this tutorial. If you have any questions about this whole process, please let me know in the comments section below. And if this video helped you out, please give it a big thumbs up and subscribe to this channel for more tutorial videos like this one. Thank you so much for watching and have a good day.